Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a cartoon character using the character builder app. So I did already search it up. If you haven't, just go to apps and just type in character builder and select it. Here you can select from a bunch of hairs. You have a wide variety of that. Then you can also select their face here. This one's cute. And you can select like what they're doing as well. Maybe like this one sitting down here. You can also select their skin tone here and their hair color, and you can also like select from these hair colors as well. I'm just going to select the black hair. When you're done, just press the done button. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. You can create a bunch of characters using this feature. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.